Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Adobe XD. It is important to know that Adobe XD is currently available primarily through an Adobe Creative Cloud all-apps subscription. It is no longer offered as a separate, individual purchase. Adobe has placed XD into a maintenance mode, meaning it receives only critical updates and bug fixes without new feature development. If you are an existing Creative Cloud subscriber, accessing Adobe XD is straightforward. Simply open the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. Once signed in, navigate to the Apps section. You will find Adobe XD listed among your available applications. Click the Install button next to it to begin the download and installation process, which typically takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. For those new to Adobe Creative Cloud, a free trial of the entire suite might be an option. This trial often includes access to Adobe XD for a limited period, typically 7 days. You can sign up for this trial on the official Adobe website. Remember to review the trial terms, especially regarding payment methods, and set a reminder if you plan to cancel before the trial period concludes. Before committing, understand that Adobe XD is in maintenance mode, meaning no new features are being added. For new projects, many designers are now exploring other robust UI and UX design tools. However, if you have an active Creative Cloud subscription, your existing Adobe XD files will remain accessible, allowing you to continue working on previous projects or export your designs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.